Hey, what's going on, enthusiasts? My name is Drew, and welcome back to another episode of Drew Reviews. Today we've got something a little bit special for you guys. It's a mechanical keyboard, and I know I've done a mechanical gaming keyboard before. It was that FioDio mechanical gaming keyboard that was like RGB, but not really RGB. It just has LED lights that are only one color. You can't actually change the colors of them. It's actually kind of stupid. Uh, why would you advertise RGB if you can't actually change the color of the lights? Whatever. The keyboard is fine as a mechanical keyboard. It's not, a genuine, you know, Razer keyboard with Cherry NX switches or whatever, but it's a fine $40-$50 mechanical gaming keyboard. There's not really anything gaming about it other than it has lights and a volume knob, I guess. But other than that, it's just a mechanical keyboard and a cheap one at that, but not bad. Today we've got something a little bit different though. This does not purport to be a gaming keyboard at all. It is the Havit Mechanical Keyboard, and I found it for 30 freaking dollars. Now, how could a $30 mechanical keyboard stand up against other keyboards? Well, today we're going to find out how it stands up against the FioDio keyboard, which I actually really love, and we'll just have to see how it works. Before that, this video is sponsored by the like button and the subscribe button. Do you not have enough likes in your life? Do you not have enough subscriptions in your life? Would you like another subscription? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button to let us know you like what we do and let us know you want to see more. All right, so we're going to skip the unboxing part of this video. Everybody's seen a keyboard being unboxed. It's not very interesting. You get a box, you open the box, you get a keyboard, and there it is. But this box is pretty minimal, and I just wanted to show you the box. It just says, hello, thanks for choosing Havit. It's got their logo, and it's got a sticker with some specs. Apparently, these keys are rated for 50 million keystrokes, which is pretty damn good on a budget keyboard such as this one. Now, speaking of the keyboard, let's take a look at this keyboard. It's a really, really interesting layout. We've got a full complement of your normal keys right here, but we've got a numpad, a full 10 key, right above the arrow keys. So it's kind of like a 10 key list design, but it actually has a full 10 key. And the cool thing is, if you turn on numlock, the entire numpad lights up to show you that numlock is on. You can't miss it. Same with caps lock. So let's go ahead and start doing a typing test to see just how good this mechanical keyboard actually is. All right, so it's time for the typing test. Now, I could do any number of typing tests, but it actually turns out that Bing, of all places, has a fairly reasonable typing test. You just go to your homepage in Edge, or you go to bing.com, and you do a search for typing test. So we'll go ahead and switch over to our web browser, and we'll type in typing. Oh wow, I'm already failing this. Typing test. Now, earlier I was using AMD's new noise suppression technology to help out with the background noise in here, but I have it turned off for this typing test so you can actually hear the sound of the keyboard. It's not clicky like those clicky switches that you get with keyboards sometimes, but it's very, very solid feeling, and it sounds okay. It doesn't sound like the keys are loose or anything. It's pretty good. So we've got The Lion and the Mouse by Aesop, pretty classic children's tale. We've all heard of it. But let's go ahead and get typing. In 3, 2, 1, go. All right, that was fast. I got 80 average words per minute, better than 98% of scores. Now, I'm not one to brag, and I'm not. I have done a lot of typing. I've done a lot of programming. I've done a lot of writing. I can type pretty well, but this keyboard is awesome. My average on the Fiodio keyboard was like 60 words per minute. I just increased that by, a third. That's pretty damn good. Yeah, that's awesome. So that's going to wrap things up for this keyboard review. I think this keyboard is awesome for $30, for $40, even if it goes back up to $50, which I don't think it will. This keyboard is a great buy if you're looking for an inexpensive, solid mechanical keyboard. And when I say solid, I mean solid. This thing has absolutely no flex whatsoever. It is a tank. There's one last thing though. We're going to be doing a giveaway of this exact keyboard really, really soon. So if you're not already subscribed, get subscribed to the channel because on one of the next PC Planet podcasts, we're going to be giving away one of these Havit mechanical keyboards. Specifically, this one, brand new, in the box, straight to you. Stay tuned for future announcements on that.